Hey guys, this is James from James the Gamer, and sorry if the camera is upside down. It is upside down, so I will turn it upside down. Sorry for that. Now it's normal. If it is good, guys. And this is a TNT that I made, and it will explode. Okay, let me just wait for it. It's taking a while. But it's Minecraft episode. It's a Minecraft episode. I'm not using the screen. I'm not using a screen recorder because it sucks. The quality sucks. But this one, it's more better. Okay, needs to spread out a little bit more. Really. Okay, this is gonna be the view. Go, go, go. It will take a while. Okay. Guys, to speed it up, I will burn it a little more. Just wait. Guys, it will explode. Let's go. Go from far place. Okay. Guys, this thing will explode. Do it. Explode. Oh no. 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 Oh, the lag is coming. Holy cow. Look at this. Look at the destruction. Dude. This is Minecraft destruction right here. Okay, thank you guys for watching and see y'all later. Bye.